This YC Superman, multi-man.
What's his name?
This is, remember him, he's a Gilbert.
Gilbert.
Gilbert. Come now.
Because the mechanic is coming here, Mr. Gilbert. Saudi Electric Company. Yan guys, pupunta ako ng ano guys, sa boss ng ano, SK ko. Naisira daw. So nag-request naman siya sa akin na puntahan siya. Kasi may problema daw yung ano, makina yata, compressor. Hindi ko alam, pero ano natin guys, i-confirm natin kung anong problema, okay? Nasa loob na ako ng planta guys.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Diba? Nasa loob na ako ng planta guys, okay? Yan. Bawal kasi dito yan guys, yung mga video. Sabi ko lang. Yan guys,
Ginagawa mo!
pasok ako sa loob guys. Tanungin ko guys si Mr. Rasik. Mudi ang namin dito sa power plant. Okay? Diba? Ayan. Ayan. Raisi.
Gilbert or
No, Gilbert. Ada engineer. Ada mekaniki Gilbert. Diba? Fine.
Where are you?
I'm in Saudi Arabia. Ba- Fine, boss. Fine.
Tell me what's fine.
What is the problem? You
Yeah, we send an email what with this compressor.
what com- Yeah.
The battery cable
Yeah.
in the positive side is getting very high temperature.
And then
Okay, that's one problem. Second, there is a leakage of diesel.
I will check.
This need to check. Please check this one. If you want to take it out, take it. If you want to repair here, repair.
So what's better for you?
Well, it's better to check it.
No problem for me.
Okay.
Okay. I check to now, and then what is the problem? What is leaking, gasket or what?
Bring the spares in.
And then I will bring all materials here.
Everything.
Yeah.
Repair it. Yes, better.
Aywa.
Yes.
YC?
YC Superman, multi-man.
What's his name? This man.
This is, remember him, he's a Gilbert.
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 Gilbert, you come now and check the printer. So when there is a cable is heating up for the battery, there is a fuel leakage. So he will go check it and they will bring everything and repair it here.
So good. Compressor only overheating.
Inner shit.
There is no leak. Huh? There is no leak. Only overheating.
Okay, I see the email.
The old email which he saw the issue.
Okay, we will check and we will see. And then what is the problem?
Very good.
We will fix this one, inshallah.
Yeah.
Anyway, you fix this compressor and we will see.
Okay. E-block. Yeah. Okay. Air compressor pala guys yung problema. Nag-overheat daw. So, puntahan natin guys at i-check kung okay. Binigyan ako ni Mr. Shine guys ng apple. Hadiah. Maya guys, pag tumawag, punta na tayo sa site. Okay? Diyan lang kayo. Okay. siya guys. Hanapin natin yung black key guys. Ito guys, ang problema nito guys is ayaw. Yan. So the battery guys is patay na.
Tangina, shit.
Guys, weak na. So ang problema daw dati guys, ito yung hose nag-cutting to. So pagkatapos na pagpalit nila hindi na umandar. So marami problema guys, yung langis hindi, yung diesel wala. May sensor to guys na pag kulang yung diesel hindi to mag-start. Tapos yung alternator guys, palitan din natin. At saka yung battery, bakit daw hindi nag-charge, mag-week daw yung araw-araw. So ilista natin guys kung anong problema. Okay, ilista ko guys kung ano. Alternator not charging. Battery down, battery in 100 original. Guys, sa pagbisita namin guys, i-check muna namin gusto namin. Tapos aprobahan ko ito guys. Tapos pag-approve, hindi na pesa. Tapos ipalitan na namin. Okay? Huwag kayong dalawang isip guys sa pag-like and subscribe sa channel ko guys. Huwag nyo din kalimutan yung i-hit yung bell button guys para maka-notify kayo sa vlog ko araw-araw. Okay?